Let's start with module 1. What is freelancing? Essentially, a freelance job is one where a person works for themselves rather than work for a company. Who you are? How many different figures there are on the event industry? Touring crew, AV technician, lighting technician, sound engineer, you can be a video engineer, you can be a VJ, you can be a show caller, or you can be a project manager. There is also many other different figures. You can work as a merchandise girl or guy, you can work as a bartender, you can do different kind of job. What you need to do to be a freelance? That's a question that I've been asked quite a lot of time, especially when I do a lot mentor for a lot of my clients. Do I need to rent an office space? Nah, you don't need to. Do I need to hire an assistant or receptionist? Nah, you don't need to. Do I need to open a company? You don't need to. Do I need to buy equipment for my work? Yes, you need to buy basic tools. I'm gonna go through the basic tools in the next module, and I'm gonna show you what you need to buy and the essential things that you need. Do I need to keep my own books and account? Yes, you need. Or you could hire an accountant. But as I said, we're going to work through this in the third module. Do I need to pay my own taxes? Yes, you need. Do I need to pay for my work insurance? Yes, you need to have your own insurance.